Is it safe to use old wood lath from demolition as firewood? I removed 2 rooms worth of walls and ceiling horsehair plaster and wood lath from a home built in 1890. Would the plaster or paint used in those days cause the wood to release any toxins when burned? I'm wondering if the material can safely be used for firewood. Question from user Dre at Stack Exchange. Answer: there might also be asbestos in the plaster and contaminating the lath. Did you have the wall tested prior to demolition? I'm guessing no. You may have to be very careful with this material and possibly apply a complex and detailed cleaning of the site to render it safe. Sorry to say. Here is to hoping that it doesn't have asbestos. In USA, the use of asbestos in plaster walls is uncommon prior to 1920. However, the wall may have been replastered after the house was built. If you do decide to burn it and it has asbestos or lead in it, you may be violating health or pollution laws in your area, but at least make sure that everyone is a long ways away from the fire. It may be better, e.g., safer and more law-abiding, just to hire the appropriate disposal experts and have them clean the site and dispose of the waste. Answer from user Keith Proctor at Stack Exchange.